Hey there, if you want to unlock your Samsung A50 or A51 or A52, the A series devices with Bixby Voice, then this video is for you. You can just hold on your power button. Make sure you have set for the side button long press, for it will appear Bixby from your settings. If you set Bixby for the long press on power button, then you will get the Bixby whenever you are on lock screen. You just need to hold on the power button like this and you will find Bixby here. Now hold on the Bixby and say unlock my device. Now here it's listening. Sometimes it may give you error, but you just need to keep trying. Hey Bixby, unlock my device. Here you can see it has just recognized my voice, and here it has just popped up the pin code, and if I enter the pin code, then it will unlock my device. Just like this, I just need to enter my pin code and I can just unlock my device. Actually, if you want that Bixby should enter your pin code, but this will be funny, just because of Bixby is your AI assistant. It couldn't know or couldn't get the password or the pin code or the pattern or any security data. It can store any type of security data from your device, so it can unlock your device with the pin code you have set or the pattern or the passcode. So you can just instruct them to unlock your phone, and it will just pop up the security section where you just need to enter your pin code or your password or your pattern. So that's how you can just unlock it with your Bixby voice. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.